friends are now fast asleep. My conscience calls, but I'm in too deep. Said goodbye to my dreams, and so I weep. Fantasies are gone forever. Frustrations drive me to the ledge. People around me created a wedge. Emotions push me to the edge. Fantasies, yeah right, whatever. Fantasies can't be forever. So said Mr. Joe. He said dreams are a divine endeavor. Fantasies can't be forever. No, 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 no. I gotta believe in myself and be me. I need to do what I do naturally. I'm gazing out afar, playing Mr. Joe's guitar. Up in the sky, a shooting star. Fantasies can be forever. Thank you, Mr. Joe. Dreams are a divine